Large reserves of potash ores are a significant competitive advantage of Russia. The demand for potash is permanently growing due to the growth of the population, soil depletion, and increased volumes of biofuels production. In Russia, the main reservoir of raw materials for potash fertilizers production is located in the Verkhnakhamskaya deposit of potash-magnesium salts. Some of its reserves are gradually running out, so the development of new sites becomes an issue of state significance. The reserves will be restored through mining of the Ust-Jaiwa block. Here comes the most joyful event which will set off the preparatory period of shaft mining. Now we will cut the red ribbon and excavate the first cube of soil, which will be used for construction of a protective structure for both mine shafts of the Ust-Jaiwa block. Good luck! The construction of the Ust-Jaiwa mine is of great strategic importance. It is destined to replace retiring mine reserves of Berezniki Production Unit 2, which will be exhausted by 2025. At the moment, the Ust-Jaiwa mine is the most effective greenfield project in the world potash industry. Over the next 10 years, this mine will allow to increase the production of potassium chloride up to 11 million tons per year. The construction project is very serious and complicated, and the company Uralkali made very high demands to the contractor. The choice was between two foreign companies, two German companies, and finally Dauman Haniel Shakhtostroy was singled out. It turned out well, because this company was the developer of the project documentation on borehole sinking. This is another ingredient of success in the shaft mining. In 2008, we established a company Dauman Haniel Shakhtostroy in Berezniki. Its activities are not limited to shaft sinking and development of potash deposits in the Perm region. It also specializes in the mining industry of the whole Russian Federation. In response to these demands, we have created a young team of Russian specialists who strive to achieve these goals with the assistance of colleagues from the parent company. For more than 120 years, Dauman Haniel Shakhtostroy has been a leader of new technologies and operating procedures implementation. Dauman Haniel Shakhtostroy considers each project of shaft sinking as a completely new challenge. There are no two projects alike. Innovativeness, reliability, accuracy, effective management of resources, and timely implementation of all commitments. These are the priorities of the company in project implementation. There are standard solutions, there are absolutely unique solutions. The whole planet is different everywhere, and the city of Berezniki has nothing in common with all other mining regions. A lot of initial data was received during the controlled borehole sinking performed by our company in 2009, mid-2010. Later, this data was used to design the technology of borehole sinking, elaborate casing methods, and types of shaft casing, which will make this project unique and provide more than 50 years of service after commissioning. Despite the uniqueness of the project, Dauman Haniel Shakhtostroy plans to implement the technique of rock freezing. It is the most expensive, but above all, the most reliable method of borehole sinking, which is over 100 years old. Our company is one of the trendsetters of this method, and since the company's establishment, for more than 120 years, we have been successfully implementing its experience in sinking specialist vertical shafts. We plan to complete the shaft sinking by May of 2017. By this time, we expect to construct 8 facilities on the territory of 42 hectares. The most basic are 2 mine complexes designed for shaft sinking and building of the refrigerating plant, where there will be a huge range of freezing equipment, which will provide a secure environment for shaft sinking by means of the ice wall. I think that it is a very significant project for the company and for the potash industry on the whole. Ust-Jaiwa project involves the construction of a new mine with 2 mine shafts, skip shaft 530 meters in depth and cage shaft 430 meters in depth. Shaft diameter is 8 meters and capacity is 11 million tons of ore per year. The first phase of production will be launched in 2020. Investments, more than $1,600,000. During shaft sinking, about 156,000 cubic meters of rock will be extracted. Shaft construction will involve maximum 160 people. The total length of boreholes of the frozen massif, 25,000 running meters.